Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically delete your Google search history. First, open a web browser on your phone or computer. Go to myaccount.google.com and sign in to your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your Google account dashboard, tap on Data and Privacy from the top menu. Scroll down until you find the History Settings section. Tap on Web and App Activity. Under Web and App Activity, tap on Auto Delete. Now, choose the Auto Delete option that works best for you. You'll see options to automatically delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months, 36 months. Select your preferred option, then tap Next. Review your selection and tap Confirm to save your auto delete settings. And that's it. Your Google search history will now be automatically deleted based on the time frame you selected. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.